Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jenny. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
People, we're all ready.
Oh, yay!
It's for you.
We'll get a taste of it.
Oh, look at it. It's your cake.
Is it scary looking?
It's pretty. It's your cake. It's so pretty.
Close those blinds so there's not.
Yeah. It's a pretty birthday cake.
Put your hand in it.
Get a taste.
Funny.
You don't know you can eat
I'll
it,
put
do
them
you?
on your finger and let her taste it so she'll, well, because it's strawberry, she'll like. No, hers isn't strawberry.
Oh, good, good, good.
Mmm.
Yum, 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 yum. Your turn.
Oh,
Here we go.
Let me get these candies off Yay!
You are really getting into it, aren't you?
Oh!
Yay!
There you go.
Yay!
Mmm.
Oh, that is so good. That is so good.
There you go.
Yummy.
All the work Mom made for that.
For this,
What it was for.
For this moment. Dolly the frosting
Mmm.
so sick she can't find the cake.
Now, I thought Brian did a good job. He didn't get that messy. He didn't get that messy. Look at those toes, y'all, when she
Oh
gets
my
excited.
gosh.
Get them eyes out of there. That's
Yeah, there you go.
Mercy.
Mercy, mercy.
Delicious.
Come on your tummy.
Mmm.
You are really getting into it, aren't you, kid?
It's your smash cake.
Smash
So
it.
smash it.
Don't clap your hands.
That looks destroyed.
There you go.
Come and look now what she's doing.
Jenny.
Trying to get her to look at you.
Yeah.
Jenny. 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 Look up here. Hi.
Cute.
Yeah, get in the
Oh, there you
There
go.
you go, Andrew. Oh.
Yeah. Get out the steam mop.
Should have put a tart down underneath.
Mm.
You are so bad.
But this is so fun. Eat some chocolate cake.
You're going to have a bath after this.
I have to put you in the dishwasher.
Yay.
Yeah, that is fun, isn't it?
Good. Yummy.
Happy birthday.
Go running
Ain't that good?
Oh, gosh.
You're kidding.
Oh, you are really something.
Goodness.
She just sucked it off her
Jenny.
fingers.
Jenny.
Now, if y'all take her out somewhere to